Have you ever thought about creating your own digital product, but you have no idea where to start? So maybe you've been scrolling on YouTube and you see so many people talking about passive income or how to create their own digital products, but you're thinking to yourself, I don't know how to do that. I'm not an expert. Well, this video found you the right time because you don't have to be an expert to get started on your online journey, on starting your own business, or even creating your own digital product. And I'm going to show you. So here's the truth. Thanks to the power of AI, you can literally create a digital product in under an hour, even if you're an absolute beginner. So in today's video, I'm going to walk you through step by step on how you can create a real digital product using simple AI tools as ChatGPT and Canva. And these tools are low cost or even free to get started with. And by the end of this video, you'll not just have your first digital product idea, but you'll also see how easy it is to bring these ideas to life. And if you want me to show you live how to launch or start making income with your own digital products, then I'll be hosting an absolutely free webinar on Thursday where you can register using the link in the description box below. I can't wait to see you there. So, step one is choosing what kind of digital product you want to create. The easiest product for beginners are things such as ebooks or guides, digital planners or template, Notion templates, mini courses, or even prom pack. So, let us use AI to come up with an idea. So, I'm going to show you live on screen on how we're going to do this. So now we're going to use ChatGPT to generate the idea. So we're going to say, please generate 10 product ideas in the cooking niche. So we're going to use cooking for the example that we're using here. So let's see what ChatGPT gives us for this product idea. So in the cooking niche. So here we are. So it gives us 10 ideas in the cooking niche. So we have a 30-minute meal ebook series. So that's number one. We have a AI meal planner app or a template. We have a cooking masterclass for beginners, healthy meal prep challenges, cultural recipe ebooks, and they also give you a few physical product ideas as well, which we're not focusing on those because we're talking about digital products. So we're going to choose any one from the list of these five right here. So once we choose the product idea, then we're going to outline the product. So let's go. So now that we have an idea, we're going to use ChatGPT to outline this ebook. So in this, for this example, we're using an ebook and we're using the topic of cooking. So that's the niche. So let's see what it outlines or what it gives us. So here we are back in Canva. So we're going to choose this one, the first one. So 30-minute meal ebook series. So I'm going to just highlight it and then I'm going to just ask ChatGPT. So that's a feature that you can use instead of writing it out. You just highlight where you want to ask ChatGPT and then you just write the content or create the content for this. And then we're going to wait to see what it gives us and what it outlines for us here. So let's go. So here's a complete content outline. So it's outlining everything for this 30-minute meal. Quick and easy, delicious recipes for busy people. So here you have a full outline of everything that you need. So once you have this, then you're going to head over to Canva, and that's where we're going to start to do the creating. So ChatGPT literally lays out everything for you using the outline. So let's go to the next step. So once you're in Canva, you want to go to the create a design button and you're going to use an ebook template. So I'm going to show you, record my screen again, show you how this is done. So let's so here we are in Canva and we're gonna write a cookbook. So we're gonna write cookbook and then we're gonna go to the template section. So here we have some beautiful templates. I'm gonna just choose any one of these. And once you choose the one that you want, then you're going to choose customize this template. Once you get there, there's so many changes that you can make. You just want to go through it and you just want to see that if it's something that you like. Remember, you can change everything right here. You can change the colors, you can change the font, you can add your own design to the template as well. You can upload your own photos to it. You can change the design if you want to, because there's so much you can do in Canva. So everything that we laid out in ChatGPT, you're going to take it from over there and then you're going to just literally copy and paste. But make sure that you check it while you're copying and pasting. You want to make sure that you're going over it. So you want to make sure that everything is accurate, because you're not going to put 100% trust on the AI to give you everything. You want to make sure that you're fine tuning the parts of the ebook that you want and how you want it to sound and all that. So here we are, Canva. This is how you create the product that ChatGPT gave you. Once your product is ready, you want to download it as a PDF and then you can sell it on platforms such as Gumroad, Etsy, or even your own website. I prefer selling it on your own website because it is much easier to, create content around the digital product that you're creating. Remember, you're the creator of this digital product, and you want to make sure that each client or each customer that you sell your digital product, you get their email. So that's very important. So the reason why I like to, do it on my own website is because I'm able to interact with my clients, I'm able to collect their emails, and I'm able to send them follow-up emails as well. When you put them on, third party accounts such as Gumroad or even PayIp or Etsy, you won't be able to collect your customers' emails. They're the ones that get the emails for the customer. So you see the difference? But for beginners, you can definitely start with one of those platforms. It's absolutely up to you. And once it is that you create it on, you put it to sell on your own platform and you create content around it, now you can automate it using a tool such as system.io, where you can send automated emails to your customers. So this is an email flow. You can also use it to sell your digital products as well. And if you're interested in getting a free, you know, plan for system.io, I've linked down in the description box below where you can check that out as well. So there you have it, a complete digital product using ChatGPT and Canva, created in under 1 hour. So it's as simple as it gets. And this is how thousands of beginners are getting started online right now by creating their own digital products, creating products that people actually want, and they solve a problem for somebody else. So you want to think about the problems that you can solve with your digital product. And then once you put them together, then they will be best sellers because they solve the problem for the audience that you're trying to target. And if you want to go even deeper on, creating your digital products, how to sell it, how to market it, then I'm hosting an absolutely free live class this Thursday, showing you everything from launch to start to sell it as a complete beginner. So I'll link that down in the description box below. You can sign up and get registered for it. If this video helped you, then I want you to comment down in the description box below and also subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.